just unclip that and move it real quick.
All right, well, we're out here for a full day. It's 10:30. We just got our first bite. We got a mai. He was under some flutter birds, and we got it coming up right here. Nice one, about 20, 25 pounds or so.
Now rod tip, yep, keep it low just like that, and then all you're gonna do is crank here. Turn your chair just a bit, you're good. Slide, yep. Coming down right behind you. Yep, perfect. Rod tip low, because when he jumps, we want to keep his head underwater. I got these. Now lift your rod up, because I got to get by, thank you. I got him just coggy. Actually, yeah, right in the mouth. Yep, I got him.
Sorry about that.
All right, nice going there, guys. Just popped out. That's funner. Do you do that? Congratulations.
Thanks,
Just
man.
got yourself a nice mai there. Good job. So he was sitting under a couple ferry turns there. If I can locate that again, we'll go back there. I think there might have been one more, but yeah, we're on the board. Nice going, guys. What do you think about that? Pretty cool, huh? We'll let that fish kind of settle down in the box there for a second. Those mai-mais are really dangerous. Once he's a little more calm, we'll pull him out and get some photos. A little over 20, I think.
Yeah, we got him there, so.
Yeah, we're out on a full day. The water's pretty sloppy today. We angled up towards Diamond Head first this morning. Nothing on the way out here. It's 10:30. That was our first bite, so we'll go back through there, see if we can get any more in that little pile, and then we're gonna go to the FAD Buoy after that. So yeah, we're on the board here. Nice fish. Keep moving. Yeah, there's mai here. Right when I shut the camera off there, we had a mai come in and grab the trolling ballyhoo on the short rigger, passing the buoy there, so he's coming up right here. Yep. Let's go underneath. Good right there, stop cranking. Back and bait it, all right? Maybe not quite. Walk this way with him. You want to go into the box with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me just pull that hook.
It's behind me if you need to.
Hey, nice going there. Nice mai. Nice job. We'll go right back to that buoy there. So Tom, we'll go right to bait, okay?
All right.
Same drill there, we'll let that guy relax and then we'll take some photos.
All right, we got him. A little smaller. Kind of had a hard time gaffing him over there, but yeah, we'll go back to the buoy. We'll go right to bait, see if we can get another one.
Just put that there right now. We'll get organized and come back around, okay?
All right, well, we just got a bait out and came back around and hooked one. It's coming up. It's a kind of a small one, but we'll take them all.
Yep, open the door, yep. Just don't fall in, okay? All right, guys, nice going. It's a little bigger than I thought. Good job, dude. All right, Tom, another bait out. Let's go back to it.
All right, got him. We'll go back to it. We got another one on. Another one on a dead bait coming in here.
Oh, there's another one trying to eat the stuff out of its mouth. I'll let you know if I see him coming in on it. Give herself some backdrop now. Good job. Couple more cranks.
Stop reeling. Oh, he did a little backflip. Hey, on there, dude.
All right, back to it.
Good job.
All right, well, we got 3 there. We ended up not having any more bites when we went back around. But we took like another 5 laps and didn't see anything. I don't know if a predator showed up. There was something behind the last mai that we caught that I just thought was another mai, but it might have been a shark or something like that. Maybe a small marlin, but yeah, we'll take it. We got 3 there and we'll keep moving here, start heading towards home. No more bites on the way home there. We're getting ready to pull into the harbor, clearing lines now. But yeah, we ended up with the 4 mai today. 1 nicer one about 20, and then 3 right around 10. So we'll get into the harbor here. We'll pull those guys out and we'll get one cut up. So that's the last one we caught on that. That's marlin bill rash on there, so that kind of confirms what I was thinking. Basically, a marlin came in and tried to eat that fish while we were reeling it in, and then that probably scared away the other ones that were there. So pretty cool. Got it on both sides there. Yeah, nobody wanted fish teats, so we're gonna sell these guys.